Hello, my name is Rimantas, I'm yoga teacher from Lithuania, and today I'm going to show you how to play mantra Om Mani Padme Hum. From the beginning I will play this mantra, and after that I will show you the chords. Om Mani Padme Hum, 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 Om Mani Padme, and we can repeat it, and repeat. So now the chords. We need chords. The M, next chord C, next chord F, next chord DM, next chord G, next chord AM. Now let's try to play it together. First chord DM. Om Mani Padme Hum. C. Om Mani Padme Hum. F. Om Mani DM Padme Hum. G. Om Mani AM Padme Hum. One more time. DM. Om Mani Padme Hum. C. Om Mani Padme Hum. F. Om Mani DM Padme Hum. G. Om Mani AM Padme Hum. And with the right hand we can play by fingers from the string number 3. Om Mani Padme Hum. From the string number 2, C chord. Om Mani Padme Hum. Then F chord from string number 1, then string number 3. Om Mani Om Mani DM from string number 3. Padme Hum. Then chord G from first string. Om Mani, and then AM. Padme Hum. AM from string number 2. And or we can play just, just simply. Om Mani Padme Hum. 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 So that's all. If you have any questions related how to play this mantra, feel free to write a comment. Feel free to subscribe to this channel to see more new videos. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.